Skylar now is 24 years old. Skylar was diagnosed with autism and persuasive developmental disorder and a speech and language processing disorder. At that time, they didn't have anything like for kids that age out of the system or, graduate from high school. And he's very smart, but, he needed to find something that he liked.
And my nephew graduated from high school in 2022 and have pretty much been kind of trying to find his way. Currently, there aren't a lot of opportunities for children with autism to seek higher education or skilled jobs.
When we start to talk about outcomes for individuals with different disabilities, one of the first things we have to realize is that we've been thinking about disability maybe backwards, maybe with a bit of a deficit perspective, when in fact we can be looking at each of us as potential employees as what are the strengths we have and how do they fit that unique job that we need to have filled.
People with disabilities have strengths just like people without disabilities. They have talent that can be utilized, but primarily the businesses and organizations can understand that population of people and be able to, their business can better serve the disability community and the families of people with disabilities.
Right now there's disparities in employment for individuals with learning disabilities and individuals that are neurodivergent and individuals that have intellectual and developmental disabilities. What we would like to do is enable these individuals to excel in careers and show the world that they're capable and they're capable of rocking in these positions.
Success for me involves helping this population maximize their potential. We spend over half our waking hours at work, and we know that work can be a source of significant pride or it can just create stress. And so by placing people in roles that both challenge and fulfill them, we improve society as a whole.